Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Passio GO real-time bus tracking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Passio GO is a real-time transit tracking app designed to help riders monitor buses, shuttles, and transit vehicles with accurate live updates. Many universities, city transit systems, and private shuttle services use Passio GO to provide riders with up-to-date location information, estimated arrival times, and route details. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is built to reduce waiting time and improve daily commuting efficiency. The app's main feature is its real-time bus tracking interface, allowing users to view live vehicle movement on an interactive map. You can check arrival predictions for your stop, explore full route schedules, and receive alerts about service changes or delays. It also supports bookmarking favorite stops and routes so you can quickly access the information you need. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, accurate live tracking, and simple layout that makes navigating local transit easier. Passio GO is especially useful for students and commuters who rely on timely updates to avoid long waits at the bus stop. Transit agencies using the platform often see improved rider satisfaction due to increased transparency and predictability. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's accuracy depends heavily on the transit agency's GPS equipment and network connectivity, so real-time updates may occasionally lag. Not all regions or cities support Passio GO, meaning its usefulness varies depending on your local transit system. Some users also report occasional app crashes or inconsistent arrival predictions during peak hours. In summary, the Passio GO app may be worth using if you want real-time bus tracking, accurate arrival estimates, and easier navigation of supported transit routes. However, if your transit system is not integrated with Passio GO, or you prefer offline schedule tools, it may not provide the value you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.